What if I told you the way you create, edit, and get discovered online will be unrecognizable in just 12 months? The tools you use today are about to become obsolete. This is a revolution, not just another update. AI is no longer the future, it's your present. In 2025, AI will transform everything, from robot-made YouTube thumbnails to search engines that answer before you even click. We've researched the 5 biggest AI trends that will define next year for every creator. These are the strategies and technologies that will separate the winners from everyone else. Let's dive into your ultimate cheat sheet for dominating the new internet. First up, multimodal AI. Forget simple text or image generation. This is AI that sees, hears, and understands everything you create. Imagine uploading a photo, describing a scene, and getting a cinematic video in minutes. Tools like GPT-4o, Pika, and Luma AI can turn your ideas into high-quality content instantly. No more endless B-roll searches or expensive production teams. Just describe what you want, and AI creates it. Need a soundtrack? Hum a tune, and AI composes the music. This collapses the entire production workflow into a seamless process. Anyone, anywhere, can now produce studio-level content. The only limit is your imagination. Already, tools like OpenAI's Sora are generating realistic video from text prompts. Soon, you'll live stream with AI generating visuals and effects in real time. To prepare, start experimenting with these tools now. Don't just use them for speed. Push their creative boundaries. The creators who master AI collaboration and prompt engineering will lead in 2025. This is the biggest shift in content creation since the camera. It's not about replacing creativity, but supercharging it. Your value is in your ideas. AI is the ultimate tool. The best artists will rise with these new powers. Start now, and you could be one of them. Multimodal AI is your new creative partner. Embrace it. The AI race is shifting from size to efficiency. In 2025, it's all about small, hyper-specialized models that excel at one thing. Tools like GPT-4o Mini or Claude Haiku are fast, cheap, and laser-focused. Need a catchy title or perfect audio cleanup? There's a micro AI for that. These models run on your phone or inside your favorite apps, automating tasks like jump cuts or social media posts. The real productivity gains come from these specialized assistants. You'll soon fine-tune AIs on your own data, creating tools that match your style and workflow. It's like cloning your creative brain. Build a toolkit of small AIs, each solving a specific problem. Mix and match them to scale your content without burning out. The future isn't one giant AI, it's a team of tiny, expert helpers. Start looking for specialized tools that fit your needs. Pay attention to new AI features in your favorite apps. The creators with the smartest AI toolkit will outproduce everyone else. Think small, act fast, and stay ahead. Efficiency is the new superpower. The way people find your content is changing fast. We're entering the age of zero-click content. Google and YouTube now answer questions directly often without sending users to your page. Your next viewer might never see your channel unless your metadata is perfect. AI-generated summaries, carousels, and instant answers are the new search battlefield. To survive, optimize for being the source, not just the click. Your titles, descriptions, chapters, and transcripts must be clear and structured for AI to understand. Think of your content as data for AI, not just videos for humans. Add timestamps, accurate transcripts, and clear headings. Brand yourself within your content. Your logo or face might be all a viewer sees. The new goal: become the trusted authority AI relies on. You may lose clicks, but you gain exposure and authority. The winners will be those who adapt their content for AI discovery. Build brand recognition that transcends the click. Old SEO was about keywords. New discovery is about clarity and authority. Start adapting now. Platforms aren't waiting. Zero-click is here. Be the answer, not just a link. The future of discovery is AI first. Trust is now the most valuable asset for creators. As AI gets more powerful, ethics and transparency are non-negotiable. In 2025, your approach to AI will decide your brand deals and audience loyalty. Disclose your AI use. Platforms like YouTube now require it. Be upfront. If you used AI for your script, B-roll, or thumbnails, tell your audience. Brands want to know your AI tools are ethically sourced and legally safe. Using tools like Adobe Firefly, trained on licensed data, is a selling point. Your answer to "what AI did you use" could make or break a deal. Build your brand on transparency and responsible innovation. Research your tools. Choose those with ethical data practices. Use disclosure tools and talk openly about your AI process. In the AI age, your ethics are your brand. Shortcuts and secrecy will cost you deals and trust. Future-proof your business by being radically transparent. Trust is your new superpower. Don't compromise it. With AI's power comes real risk. Security threats are rising fast. Voice cloning and deepfakes can destroy your reputation overnight. Shadow AI, using unapproved, insecure tools, can leak sensitive data. You must secure your digital assets before it's too late. Watermark your content and use services to detect and remove deepfakes. Educate your audience about voice cloning risks. Build a list of approved, secure AI tools for your team. Treat your AI prompts and data like passwords. Protect them. Use enterprise-grade AI for sensitive work. Security is now part of doing business. Don't be the headline for a deepfake or data leak. Take this seriously. Protect your brand and your future. Build your defenses now. Those are the 5 AI trends that will define 2025. Multimodal creation, specialized models, zero-click discovery, ethics and security. Ignore them at your peril. The internet is evolving. Adapt now to win. Pick one trend and start experimenting this week. Try a multimodal tool, audit your metadata, or research your AI's ethics. Small steps now put you miles ahead next year. This is your moment to innovate. What AI trend blew your mind? Drop it in the comments, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.